Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the Mac so longer screen time is safe and effective. Plug the Mac into a charger and open System Preferences to check battery health and Mac OS version. This prevents surprises during heavy use. Once done, set Energy Saver or battery options to avoid automatic sleep and dimming. Make sure Night Shift and True Tone are off because they can alter perceived brightness and make you increase brightness unnecessarily. This keeps power steady while you adjust other settings. Next, optimize both display and system settings to extend usable screen time. Start by reducing brightness to the lowest comfortable level and keep True Tone disabled. It prevents automatic warmth changes that prompt higher brightness. In Energy Saver, enable automatic graphics switching if available, reduce keyboard backlight, and set display sleep to a longer interval while keeping hard drive sleep conservative. If possible, use an external monitor for sustained work. It shares load and reduces internal panel stress. This combination lengthens session duration without overheating the Mac. Finish by managing apps and invoking system safeguards to preserve screen time. Close or quick graphics-intensive apps, enable App Nap for background apps, and watch CPU/GPU load in Activity Monitor to spot culprits. Use low power mode for extra longevity and calibrate the battery with occasional full charge cycles to keep estimates accurate. If you encounter odd sleep, display wake issues, or unexpected battery drain, reset the SMC and NVRAM. These steps clear low-level settings and usually resolve inconsistent screen time behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.